G'day, Simon. Thanks for the comment, mate. I've seen you pop up a couple of times before, and I wanted to record a video on this because there are really only two situations that can be occurring here. If you want to send me your tax returns, happy to review them, of course. Won't share them publicly, but happy to confirm which of these two scenarios you find yourself in. So, if you are a sole trader and you're making $280,000 a year and you're paying no tax, this is because of one of two things. Either one, your business expenses are equal to or exceed your $280,000 a year because in the first instance, you are over the requirement to register for GST. So you're paying at least 10% of your top line revenue for goods and services tax. And two, we pay tax on our profits. And as a sole trader, you have no opportunity to minimize that. So that is basically at your marginal tax rate, unless you have deductions that are equal to the income that you earn. That is scenario number one. Scenario number two is that you are blatantly breaking the law, that you are not disclosing the amount of profit that you've got. And as a result, you are avoiding tax and you've potentially just publicly incriminated yourself. So you might land yourself in hot water. Now, not paying tax is not a badge of honor. Tax is a consequence of making money, okay? And the more money that we make, the more tax we ultimately end up paying. The aim of the game is to pay no more than 30% tax on average for the income that you earn, because we don't want to pay any bonuses to the ATO. Because the reality is that if you are maximizing all of your deductions and as a result paying absolutely no tax, that usually means that you are spending on things that you've claimed as a deduction. So you've spent $1, the government's been nice enough to give you 30 cents back, so you're still 70 cents out of pocket for those expenses. I don't see how that has put you in any better position. And I see so many people do this because they have such a horrible relationship with paying tax that they end up cutting off their nose to spite their face. Now, as I mentioned time and time again, I pay more tax than like 99% of the population. I will pay close to $1 million in tax this year, potentially even more. And I'm happy to do that. I do that with a smile on my face because as a result of paying that tax, it means that I have made substantial amounts in profit. I have maximized my borrowing capacity. I've got the opportunity to go out and acquire more assets, and I can use those assets to continue to compound my wealth into the future. The other benefit is, for the active income that I earn, and as a result of paying tax on that active income, I typically turn that active income into assets that compound and have unrealized capital gains, and that are usually structured in a way that give me access to future tax incentives, where I typically will pay a very low amount of tax if I pay any tax at all on those assets. But the difference is that I am accumulating assets along the way, and those assets will compound and grow tirelessly 24/7, even while I sleep. So happy to have a look at your tax returns and give you some insights, because this is not something to celebrate.